Social media and artificial intelligence are revolutionizing the way we engage. In South Asia, we share many common challenges. The leaders of South Asia have made unparalleled sacrifices. Autocratic and regressive forces to challenge our democracies. Transparent election where governance is determined by the people's choice is the only solution. I wish you all a successful and enriching conference. Thank you very much. Esteemed members of PEMBOSA and Honorable Chief of Election Management Bodies. It is with profound honor and a deep sense of responsibility that I stand before you today to welcome you all to the 12th conference of the Forum of Election Management Bodies of South Asia, PEMBOSA. Our gathering here in the heart of Kathmandu, amidst its rich history and vibrant culture, is a testament not only to the strength of our region, but also to our shared commitment to the principles of democracy and the sanctity of free and fair elections. This year's conference transcends the routine of an annual meeting. It comes at a pivotal time of both challenges and opportunities in the field of election management. The topics we will address over the next 2 days: climate change, migration, the rise of social media, and the role of artificial intelligence are not merely timely, they are crucial to the future of our democracies. Climate change, as we all understand, is far more than an environmental issue. It touches every facet of our societies. From rising sea levels and melting Himalayan glaciers to unpredictable weather patterns and natural disasters, the impacts of climate change threaten our ability to ensure that every citizen can exercise their right to vote. As leaders in election management, we must confront these challenges head on and develop strategies that protect the integrity of our election processes even in the face of such adversity. Migration too presents its own set of unique challenges. The movement of people across borders and within our own countries has profound implications for electoral rolls, voter identification, and the right to vote. In a region where countries serve as both sources and destinations of migration, we share the burden of addressing issues such as managing large number of foreign arrivals while also accommodating our citizens abroad. With often insufficient infrastructure, we face significant challenges in ensuring that no citizen is disenfranchised due to their circumstances. We must explore ways to include our diaspora in the democratic process, ensuring their right to have a voice in the future of their homeland. Social media and artificial intelligence are revolutionizing the way we engage with voters and conduct elections. While these tools offer unparalleled opportunities for outreach, and participation, they also bring risks of misinformation, disinformation, fake news, and manipulation that can erode trust in our democratic institutions. As we embrace these technologies, we must do so with caution and a steadfast commitment to upholding the highest standards of transparency and accountability. Sorry. In South Asia, we share many common challenges, from ensuring voting rights and addressing diaspora issue to fostering fair competition and coexistence among political parties. Our experiences often run parallel. From movements for independence to a struggle for comprehensive democracy, the leaders of South Asia have made unparalleled sacrifices for the cause and have earned the high esteem of our people. However, weaknesses in the past movement management and ineffective service delivery amidst the high expectations of our citizens have allowed autocratic and regressive forces to challenge our democracies time and again. Ensuring universal suffrage and concluding free, fearless, accountable, and transparent election where governance is determined by the people's choice is the only solution to such manipulation against honest and innocent citizens. It is in forums like PEMBOSA that we find the strength to learn from one another, to share best practices, and to collaborate on solutions that can be tailored to our unique context. Your deliberations during this conference will undoubtedly contribute to advancing the PEMBOSA Charter, reinforcing our collective efforts to ensure free, fair, and transparent elections across the region. I extend a heartfelt welcome to all the esteemed chiefs and election commissions from SAARC countries. We are deeply honored by your presence here in Kathmandu, a city whose rich cultural heritage is a testament to the vibrant and resilient spirit of South Asia. I trust that your stay will be both pleasant and productive, and that our discussions will lay the groundwork for greater cooperation and innovative solutions in our shared commitment to democratic excellence. In closing, I wish to express my sincere gratitude for your dedication to the cause of democracy. Your presence here in Kathmandu and your active participation in this conference reflect a deep commitment to the principles we all hold dear. Together, let us ensure that the outcomes of this gathering resonate far beyond these walls, fostering a future where every election truly reflects the will of the people. Thank you once again for choosing Kathmandu as the venue for this significant gathering. I wish you all a successful and enriching conference. Thank you very much.